Alright, so this video I'm going to do something a little bit different, which is I'm going to do multiple problems in one video. So there's a lot of weather station questions and there's 12, but I don't see weather station 2, which is really weird. So I'm going to do 4 for each video, and then the first one will only have 3 because I can't find weather station 2. So here we're in weather station 1, and then so it says query a list of city and state from this station's table. So how do we select multiple columns? I think it's comma. So select city, state from station, and then I'm pretty sure that's the correct syntax. So we can have multiple columns, you just separate it with a comma. That doesn't work, I'll figure it out. Nice, okay, that was how to do it. So we're going to head on to the next challenge, which is Weather Station 3. The tab open here, I'm gonna close it. So query, let me go back real quick and take our query so I don't have to keep copy pasting it. View results. Okay, let me just refresh, make sure we're all good. Okay, so it says select query a list of city names. So they only want city, they don't want state anymore. And they only want cities to have an even. So they want to exclude duplicate. So exclude duplicates means we use distinct. Spelled distinct wrong. Distinct. Okay, there we go. Why is my mouse glitching? Not a cause for concern. So first, exclude duplicate. So select distinct city from station. It says print in any order, so nothing to do here. And then we want where it's even. So let me think. There might be a... Is there a modulus? Time to Google this. So SQL print even numbers only. So we know that we're going to have to filter off the ID field. So we can write where ID. And then, okay, there it says use modulus. So it's just like Python. So if you want even, you do where modulus 2 equals 0. And then this should work. So distinct is how we get no duplicates. Stations are database like last time. And then we're going to do where ID modulus 2 equals 0. Because if you're an even number, dividing by 2 gives you a remainder of 0. Oh, it failed. Okay. Let's run the code. Unexpected token was found. Yeah, ID modulus 2. Yeah, from station. Unexpected error. Where, yeah, because ID is a number. Let me ask ChatGPT here. Why am I getting an unexpected token error? ID is a valid field and a number. Okay, it says an Oracle use mod. So we're just gonna see if mod is, oh, mod is a keyword. Okay, this is so confusing because this is supposed to only be for Oracle. ID 2. Okay, let's run it. We're going to test out the code. Okay, this is really confusing why they don't just allow you to use the percentage sign as mod. Alright, first star. Okay, and then let's copy this code and go to number 4. So we want to find the total number okay, so there's definitely a count. Okay. So there's no distinct needed, so we want, so count city so we want the difference. Maybe we can just do this, minus distinct. And then let's get rid of this where. Let's just try this solution. I'm highly doubting it works. If we get an error, my first thought process will be to put distinct inside the parentheses. Expected token. Unexpected count. So are we not allowed to use count? Let me just try this. So we're just gonna do select count city from station. So if this gets an error, that means we're not allowed to use count. So I'm just trying the most basic. Okay, good. So that is allowed. So let me try running this. Moment of truth. Oh, it worked. Okay, so you just had to put it inside the bracket. Nice. All right, so we learned a lot. That was the weather station part 1, which is 1 through 4. And this will be a 3-parter series. So thanks for watching, and that last one was the first like challenging one. So let's see how difficult it gets on the later ones.